How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. I have this 2006 Acura RL. Power steering pump is bad. It's making some whining noise, and it's time to replace it. It's really easy to get to it. Really easy to replace this pump. So I'm gonna show you in a minute how to replace it on your Acura RL. Gotta remove the cover. Once you get the cover out, it's gonna expose power steering pump. Power steering pump being on this side, just gotta lose the tension on the belt, remove two bolts, two high pressure and low pressure hoses, and get a new one. 40mm wrench. We can loosen up the tension on the tensioner right here on the bottom. So get your wrench in there so you can remove the belt. Keep track of your belt so you know how it goes. In this case, I'm not gonna remove it. I'm just gonna set it on the side because the belt's still good. So I don't wanna mess with that. But you make sure that you keep tracking of where the belt goes so you don't have problems when you have to put everything back on. We have one bolt on the back, one in the middle to remove the pump. Right here is one bolt. It's a 12mm. The other one's gonna be kind of difficult. It's underneath. With the small socket, I was able to put it down here. You see right there where my ratchet is. That's where the other bolt is. So it's already loose. As you can see, kind of tight in there, but it's doable. Now I have the two bolts loose. What I got to do now, these two 10mm, I gotta remove them. Put some racks so you don't make a mess. Get multiple racks and set these holes on the side. Now we gotta remove the clamp right here. Leave your racks in there so you don't make a mess, especially if it's a customer car. Now finish removing the two bolts. They attach the old power steering pump and then get the new one in place. Got this one out. Now let's get the other one on this side. On the bottom bolt, I'm using only the socket with my fingers because there's no room in there. It's really difficult to get to it. So hopefully like that I can just get it out with my fingers and the socket. But literally you don't have room at all. See? Bolt right here. Really tight in there. But we get it out. I'm gonna clean a little bit in here because it's kind of messy. We got the new pump in here. We just gotta put it on. And this job is done. Not too bad. Okay, I gotta run down the bottom bolt with my fingers, put the other one, tighten them up, and then connect the hoses. Top bolt is already in place. I'll try to put the ratchet because it's getting really difficult to get that bolt tight. Hopefully I can put the ratchet in there. Oh yeah. You have enough room for a ratchet underneath. It's a lot better with the ratchet. It's a lot easier than the deep socket because you don't have a lot of room. Now that we tighten them up, both bolts, that one in here, that one underneath, grab your line, put it on, and make sure that you put a new O-ring. Get those two bolts tight. When you finish this, make sure that you put Honda power steering fluid. In this case, I get AutoZone, but it's for Honda, which is pretty much the same thing, but I recommend you to use Honda. On this case, it was an emergency. And these two bolts run them around 18 to 25 foot-pounds of torque. Not a lot of torque on these two. Now get the hose, plug it in the hose, put the clamp back on in the same spot where it was before. Don't put it somewhere else because you got to put it in the same spot. And now let's run the belt. Again, grab your tensioner. You have to pull on the tensioner towards the firewall so you get some slack to run your belt. With the bigger ratchet will be a lot better. I don't have a lot of leverage with this one, it's kind of hard. I'm gonna have to use my cheater bar because my wrench is not big enough. Okay, with the cheater bar it was a lot easier. I think everything is in place. Make sure that your belt is located on the same way. In my case, I just remove it from the top, so I'm okay. Power steering fluid for Honda, or in this case Acura. Make sure that you run this one. Don't use something else, you might damage the pump. Especially if you get the pump from the dealer, but in this case, this pump is from AutoZone. I have the car in the air to make the bleeding process a lot easier. That's how you replace the power steering pump 2006 Acura RL, and that's how you bleed the system. Make sure that you get all the bubbles out, check for leaks. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.